Meaning of gratify.
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 Gratify. The word gratify means to give pleasure or satisfaction to someone. It can refer to satisfying a desire, fulfilling a request, or indulging in something that brings joy. When you gratify someone, you make them happy and content, often by giving them what they want or need. The result of gratifying someone can be positive, as it can strengthen relationships and build trust. However, if we gratify people excessively, we may create unrealistic expectations and foster dependency. Therefore, it is important to use our judgment and balance when deciding whether to gratify someone or not.